Hi, it's Ewan here from the2traders.com, just of our latest position update. So we've got three positions from new positions from last week, and the first one is a buy on GBPJPY, and it's already up around $200 for both of us, 120, 124 for me, and it's probably another 75, 80 for Johnny. So just to flick over to the charts, as you can see here, we pulled back from this kind of 149 level, 148.49 up here, and we came pretty much straight down to 140, and it's just bounced off this level here. And so what we've done is we've bought at this near-term support. So the level to watch is kind of 139, 140 on the downside, and we bought on this first green day here, and we put our stop just below the support, so 139, with a risk of about $600. That's 400 on my account, and 250 on Johnny's, I think, or 200 on Johnny's. What we're really looking for is a pullback to the top of this range. So if you see that last time this happened, it went from 137 to 148, and last time it pulled back from 149 to 138, we saw it go all the way back, pretty much in a straight line up to 148. So if it does go to the top of this range again, we're looking at kind of $4,000 or $5,000 profit. So a risk reward of about 8 or 9 to 1 on this. And we'll see how this plays out. We saw a lot of strength in the yen last week, or last couple of weeks, with the news of North Korea. Everyone's putting their money in safe havens. So we saw all these yen currencies kind of come down. So the yen going stronger, obviously the pound yen going weaker. And if we see this momentum reverse, we may well see this come all the way back up. And that's the ideal scenario for us right now. Even better would be if we saw it break out the top of this range. You can see that 148 actually held 3 times. So back in December 2017, we saw it retest the 148 level, and then again here and again here. So if we see this pull back to the top of range, we'll make 4,000 or 5,000 on the way up, and if it breaks out, hopefully we'll make that all over again. So the other two positions we put on were in cryptos. So we bought Litecoin and sold Ripple. So this starting with Litecoin here, you can see that it's broken out to these all-time highs, which is, many of you might know by now, is our favourite pattern to play. You can see how far these run once they do break to an all-time high. I'm not sure what this big spike is here, but the last time it was at this level was in June. And if you look back at Ethereum or Bitcoin, when this does happen, it can quite quickly run to kind of 70, 80, 90 in a few days. And the risk rewards are pretty incredible on these ones. And we trade these on eToro. There's not many brokers that offer these because they are quite new. So if you go to our website and check out the preferred broker section, we've got all the markets we trade and where, and you can just kind of go straight to the website and start a trading account if you've not got one already. And just to flick to, these ones are up. Well, this is up $200 already, and it's been kind of 12 hours since I put this trade on. So I woke up this morning with kind of plus $600, which is a pretty nice feeling in the morning. And similarly with Ripple, so you can actually just flip back, you can see Ripple's up 107 on my account. Johnny's probably up the same. So just to quickly go through that, what we see is we're actually selling this. So this kind of pulled back from all-time highs, and you can see it tried to break out here. We had 2 or 3 failed spikes, but there just isn't enough buyers in the market to kind of return this uptrend. And what we did was we sold into this weakness, and we're probably just going to target the kind of 0.15, 0.16 area on this one. But again, our stop loss is quite tight, and we might get kind of 4 or 5 risk reward, which would be, again, $2,000-3,000 on these between the two both of our accounts. So we'll see what happens with these ones. What's nice about these is because we're selling one, buying the other, we're kind of hedging ourselves against any big crypto moves across the whole market, because if if the whole crypto market decides it wants to smash up, we're going to make money on Litecoin, lose it on Ripple. Whereas if this divergence keeps playing out, then we'll make money on both, and that's what we think is going to happen. But we'll see in the next few days. And that's it for this video. It was a short one today, just to keep you updated on these crypto positions that we put on the weekend, and then GBPJPY from Thursday. If you want to be able to trade these crypto markets, as far as I'm aware, eToro is the only place that you can do it properly. So go to our website and you can sign up straight through there. I think you can do them plus 100 as well, but they they expire overnight, which is quite annoying if you have to keep putting them on. So it's just easy to trade on eToro for us, and that's where we do it all. So that's it for this video. Make sure you keep an eye out for the next one, which should be the same time tomorrow. We try and do these every time there's a new trade to do, and if there isn't a new trade and we have nothing to update on, we'll post it on our blog and we'll post it on our eToro pages as well. So thanks for watching, have a good week.